Hey guys, it's Melissa again, and I wanted to show you how to add your syllabus to your Canvas content course. So the first thing you're going to do is go get your syllabus from the curriculum warehouse. Just click on elementary grade bands. I am working in Catherine's course, so I'm going to pick ELA, and that's 5th grade. So you'll go to your content and your grade level, and then here is the syllabus for 5th grade ELA. I'm going to download this because I don't want to make any changes, but because this is a Word document, we want to make it a PDF. So here's what we're going to do. All right, so I'm going to open this up. I'm going to enable editing and go to File, Save As, and I'm going to put this somewhere that I can find it. I'm going to take that one off. We're going to put this as a PDF. So we're going to go to Save As, and instead of Word document, we're going to do a PDF. And then we're just going to, I'm going to put this in Documents just so I can easily grab it. Okay, so I'm going to save it right there. And it's going to save that for us. I don't know why it's taken so long. Usually it's really quick. For some reason, Word has decided not to be my friend today. Okay, so I now have the PDF of my syllabus. I'm going to go to my content course. Like I said, we're using Catherine's. So I'm going to click on Language Arts. This is my content course. I'm going to so if you look on your content, you have the last one, it says course syllabus. So we're going to make sure that when we put our course syllabus in, it's going to link to this too. So I'll show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is go to Pages. I'm going to view all pages, and I'm going to add a page. And I'm going to type in 5th grade ELA syllabus. All right. And then I'm going to go to the insert. We're going to insert a document, and I'm going to upload that document. And I can click on here and just add it with my quick access right here. And then click Submit. And I now have the link to that document there. I'm going to save and publish this page. And right here, while I'm in Pages, I'm just going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to my home screen and scroll down to this box that has syllabus. And on the picture, Catherine's a rock star and already has it up here, but what you would do is you're going to go to Edit and scroll down to the picture of the course syllabus, and we're going to go to link up here. You're going to insert the link and click Done. And then save your page. So now when your students are on their home page, they can scroll down to the syllabus link, and it will go to the page that has the syllabus, and they can look at it from there. We want to make sure we PDF it because a lot of students and parents, when they're looking at the Canvas courses, a lot of them don't have their Office 365 set up, or they're not using it, they're not accustomed to using Word. They're more accustomed to using the Google Docs. So sometimes it won't open for them, but a PDF should always open for them. So if you have any questions, please fill out our K5 Ops ticket. We'll be glad to help you. And also, don't forget, we do have open office on Wednesday afternoon. So we'd love to see you there if you need anything. Thanks.